The circle of influence. It's easy to get anxious about stuff. Lots of stuff is outside of our control, world events, etc. It's harder for kids because kids already have so much they can't control that when global things happen, it can seem more scary, and there can be a need to try and control things. Understanding what we can and can't influence can really help with this. So we can think of the first circle, which is the circle of what we can control and always control. These are things like our attitude, what we eat, how we sleep, and what we read, including social media and the internet. It's like looking through a microscope and seeing all the detail that you would see when you look into it. The next circle is the one we can influence by our actions and by changing our thoughts. Not so easy, but definitely possible. What we choose to post on social media, whether we eat healthily, who we hang out with, how we interact with family and friends, looking after the environment, like using less plastic and recycling. These are things we can influence. The last one is the circle that's outside of our control, the circle of concern. Global things, circumstances, government policies, what other people think, thinking we could have done better, if only we tried different things. And these are the ones that we tend to focus on, but actually we can't control any of them. But by focusing on these, it makes that circle bigger, and it blanks out the ones that we can control. So the trick is to work out what you can influence and what you can't. Focus on what you can and ignore what you can't.